Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Phone Mania with Code Series. We do have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This is the titanium silver color. There are two color options. One is the titanium gray and other is the titanium silver. And the titanium silver have a green, sort of olive green sort of strap versus titanium gray have a black strap. And in today's video, we are going to install the screen protector for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. And alongside, I have also bought an armor case for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So let's unbox the device. So Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 in the titanium silver color. So this is how it looks, and exactly like the Galaxy Watch Ultra 1, and this is the 2024 model. You can see bit of difference. You can see the numberings over here versus the markings are there almost similar versus this stripe is missing. Let's see what else are we getting. And the strap, which I have earlier mentioned, sort of olive green kind of strap, which we are getting with this titanium silver. Okay. Oh, and this is extremely smooth. If you compare, you can see this has some this spike up, spike down sort of design. And while you wear the device, it's not that comfortable because of this spike in, spike up design. Versus this is extremely super comfortable, and it is very lightweight. You can see, wow. And you can have an ultra badging over here. This is the stock strap itself, but design wise this is a huge improvement. I'll show you what else are we getting in the box, and then obviously the quick start guide over here, and the and you can see the USB type C to the wireless charging adapter over there. I'm gonna install this Spigen's screen guard, ease at fit, so it contains two of them. So okay, so these are the contents. We are getting two lens and screen cleaning wipe, then dust removal stickers, then microfiber cloth, and the attachments. And then if this is for non-movement, you can see for fixing. So let me place this over here, and this is for removing the bubbles. So first of all, take one dust removal sticker, take one set, and we are getting only one microfiber cloth, so use this very carefully. So these are the just keeping these three of them aside, and we are also getting a glass remover tool as well. This is also for reusing. So these are the final essentials, and obviously the watch. So you can see how I place the top portion should be here, and this button to the right side. Okay, and now first I need to take the lens and screen cleaning wipe. Just remove this and just take the place you are gonna touch your finger shouldn't touch the display. You can see like this, and like so. Since this is a new watch, no need for such a depth cleaning, but still I'm taking another location which I haven't touched yet with my finger. Okay, let it be this location. Okay, see, and chances of reusing is there, so you need to place this very carefully somewhere. And now I need to take a microfiber cloth, and also don't touch the display. So you can see how I placed, and you can see, be very gentle. Okay, so it's done. And now you need to check with all the possible angles. You can see this angle, this angle, this angle, and check for any minor dust particles. So you can see if here you are getting a minor dust, then you need to take this dust removal sticker. Okay, so don't always, this is the location, that means the Spigen location should be the front, and that can be done anyways, but and still you can see the location, and always touch the dust removal sticker only, do not touch the display, remove it. And if you've seen somewhere over here, just place it, remove very careful while you touch the, do not touch your finger. So all the areas while you see minor dust also, you need to do like this kind of stuff. You can see now it's perfectly done. Yeah, so I have checked, so nothing is there, so now it's perfectly clean. And now the next step, so take this, and if you look over here you can see an adhesive sticker over there. So see, you can just remove like this and align exactly like this and placed it exactly on the top as I did. So you can see now the button top. So and now you do is just do a press and slide, 1 2 3, and you can just keep your finger for just 5 seconds, that's it. And after that you can just remove from here. Okay, now you are good to go. We have one more sticker, so this is the sticker, and remove, and you can see still there is a gap. And now this thing, so make sure you just means clean to the means push to the adjacent area. See, oh, actually this would be a best demonstration because still I am not pressing that location. You can see, if you clearly observe, there is one minor dot. You can see that's a dust particle which I might be missed. You can see still, and that's the best part. Wow. So and this is going to be a perfect demonstration. So you need to take this very carefully and very gentle. So you can see I have pushed this entire thing over there, and you can see how I didn't touch the glass yet. And again I'm gonna take just a mole sticker. If there is a dust in the screen guard, means sometimes if a dust could be attached to the screen guard while we push up the screen guard, if that case you should invert the what do you call dust mole sticker and place like this and wait and remove like that. And the next case is if the dust is in the what do you call in the display itself. So again push up dust mount sticker, and you can see the dust here itself. So I'm placed, so you can just, if possible, you can do like this stuff and you can just remove. Yeah, that's perfectly done. And now you can see perfect. Now just use this thing, it's completely done, perfect. See, yeah, that's the perfect. And now just use a microfiber cloth. So now let's just quickly check the touch sensitivity. Okay, you can see, yeah, really snappy and responsive. You can see no sort of issues. Going to the widgets, notifications, back, bottom. Wow. So doing this sort of stuff. Okay, everything is seamless over here. So that's an yes from me in terms of the EZ Fit tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. It's time to install the rugged armor case for the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. I will leave the links for both in the description. So okay, oh, this is a bit of a bulky case. Okay, so yeah, but still protection is there. See, so just place this, and you can see this is the exact location, and just give a press. It should be hard press, no normal. You don't be very gentle, because if you are very gentle it is not gonna work. So just give a hard press. So you can see this location is done, and you need to place one hand over there, and now you see are now fix this location only. And now just have, you can see one is there, one is there. So without pulling this one, this is not gonna come. So please do like this. So insert your hand through the inside and just on that location and on this location, and you're good to go. So people are not gonna forget this is watch ultra, and still you can are getting the space for pressing the buttons. Pressed, done. And on the top, done. So see, that's the final output with the Spigen's screen guard as well as the Spigen's case. And also, if you're interested in a comparison between the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 versus Ultra 1, do let me know. So guys, that's it today. Signing off. It's Phone Mania.